Hello everyone, my name is Trooper and welcome back to another video. Today I'm showing you guys how to install custom loading screens into your guys' Fivem server. This is something that I totally recommend to adding into your Fivem server just to add a little bit of polish onto it. And it does make your server look extra professional if you guys are having a roleplay server, or if you're just playing with your friends, it kind of just gives a nicer vibe whenever you're loading in. You don't have that really boring default loading screen with all the lines of code. First thing you guys want to do is click the first link down in the description below. That'll bring you guys right here to this website. This is a great website for adding a loading screen as you can customize it, and it means your server will not look the same as everyone else's, and it is free, which is the best bit. Once you guys have done that, log into the server with your Steam account and click Go to Dashboard. It's going to bring you to a little page like this, and it's going to bring you to your loading screens. Hit the plus sign to create your own custom loading screen. And once it has generated your loading screen, what you guys are going to want to do is go through and customize it. So it's pretty self-explanatory. I don't really need to explain it, but you can change your layout, you can change your title, the description, your colors. It is really, really customizable. Your staff members, all your admins, etc. So go through and customize that. And once you guys open up the zip file, what you guys want to do, if you go inside of the Fivem LSM folder, you guys should be able to see you'll have your default resources file and your index, etc. And this is basically already installable to go inside of your Fivem server. So what you guys want to do is close out the browser and find your Fivem server directory. So do that. If you guys did follow the exact same tutorial that I showed you guys on how to install a Fivem server, it should be in your C drive, and then in FX server, and then go to TX data, and then go to CFX default, and then go inside of your resources folder. Now, since we're not going to have more than one loading screen, all you guys want to do is rename this to just loading screen, or just loading, whatever you guys want to call it. I'm just going to call it loading because it's shorter. Doesn't really make much of a difference as long as you guys know what it is. Drag and drop it into your resources folder. And just like that, all we're going to need to do now is add our server.cfg. To do this, you can close out your download, copy and paste the name that you gave your loading screen folder, go back to your CFX default base file, find your server.cfg, right click and open with any sort of word editor. You can now enter double hashtag and then loading screen. And then you can then type ensure or start and then Control V, the name of your loading screen folder. And obviously this above is to ensure we know what we're actually loading, so it's organized. And these double hashtags means that your server directory will not read it and add it into your server, and obviously it won't work because that's not a real thing. Hit save, close out, and just like that, you should now have a custom Fivem loading screen. So all you guys want to do now is start up your Fivem server and load into it, and you guys should be able to see that it has successfully worked. As you guys can see, as soon as you load into your server, you should be able to see that your loading screen has successfully installed. So everything that you've customized on the website should be there, and obviously if you have paid for the premium version, you won't have a watermark, but if you haven't, then you will. But it doesn't really make much of a difference. No one's going to care, trust me. It really won't make much of a difference. And obviously everything you customize should be there. I didn't really change much, just the name, etc. But as you guys can see, it is successfully installed into your server. So I hope you guys did find this video useful. If you did, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you haven't already, check out the previous tutorials where I showed you guys how to install a custom menu, custom cars, and custom guns into your guys' Fivem server. And other than that, I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Cheers and goodbye.